When your forward collision warning light comes on, you might wonder whether it's safe and legal to continue driving. The answer depends on several important factors. In most jurisdictions, it's legally permissible to drive with the FCW light illuminated. Unlike critical safety systems such as brakes or steering, FCW is not typically required for legal operation. However, regulations vary by location. In the United States, there's no federal prohibition, but some states include FCW in safety inspections. The European Union generally permits it, but may affect vehicle compliance. Canadian regulations vary by province. Despite being legal, driving with a malfunctioning FCW system significantly increases your risk. Studies show a 27% increase in rear-end collision rates when the forward collision warning system isn't functioning properly. The problem is that drivers often develop a psychological dependence on these warning systems. When the FCW fails, drivers may have slower reaction times than they would have had without the system in the first place. There are also important insurance considerations. Some insurance policies may not provide coverage for accidents if you were aware that your FCW system was malfunctioning but continued to drive anyway. While you can legally drive with the FCW light on in most places, the increased safety risks and potential insurance complications make it advisable to have the system repaired as soon as possible. Forward collision warning systems can malfunction for various reasons. Understanding these causes and their solutions helps maintain optimal safety performance. Environmental conditions are the leading cause of FCW malfunctions. Heavy rain, snow, or fog obstruct sensors and account for 40% of false activations. Sensor contamination from dirt, ice, or debris is equally common. Extreme temperatures below -20 or above 140 degrees Fahrenheit can temporarily shut down the entire system. Technical malfunctions include sensor calibration issues, often occurring after windshield replacement or minor accidents. Software glitches may require a system reset or update. Hardware failure, though less frequent at 5 to 8% of cases, represents permanent damage requiring professional repair. Vehicle-related issues include aftermarket modifications that interfere with sensor operation, electrical problems like low battery voltage affecting system power, and suspension changes that alter sensor alignment and detection accuracy. When the FCW light activates, first check for obstructions and clean the sensors. Try resetting the system by turning the vehicle off and restarting after 30 seconds. For persistent warnings, schedule professional diagnosis within 1 week. Ensure proper sensor alignment through calibration services and keep system firmware updated. Regular cleaning and inspection are crucial for preventive maintenance.